folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and today what we're going to be fixing is chicken stuffing bake. It called for chicken breast. They had chicken thighs on sale. We got them, and chicken thighs will stay a little bit juicier anyway. It's all your preference. You can use breast if you want. It calls for roughly 2 pounds. We've got closer to 3 pounds, so we're going to be using a little bit bigger dish. And then you need 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. We happen to have, it's not the same brand, but we're going to try putting diced potatoes in there. Recipe don't call for it, but I thought this would just help make the meal go a little bit further. You need 1.5 cups of chicken broth, and you also need some stuffing mix and 1/4 cup of milk. And what we'll start off doing, we'll cut this up into 1-inch pieces or somewhere close to that there, and we'll get started. Alrighty folks, through the magic of editing, we got the chicken cut up. Now, take you some salt and pepper. We'll pepper it here first. Now, put on a little bit of salt. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to take a bowl and take the chicken soup and the milk and mix together. Alrighty folks, we got our 2 cans of soup down in here, pouring in our 1/4 cup of milk, and then we're going to mix it together. Watch Doug make a mess. Look at that. It ain't too bad yet. Yeah. Tell you what folks, we're going to add another 1/4 cup of milk. Like I said, make this yours. This is just to give you an idea. If you think of ways to improve it, you do it there. And let us know. Probably need just a little bit more moisture anyway, liquid, since I'm adding the taters. Like I said, the recipe don't call for taters. I just thought it would be good. Now, what I'm going to do is take the taters. We got diced ones. Put them in here like so, and then I'll spread them out evenly over top. Just use your old paws here. Alrighty. Alrighty, now we're going to pour our soup mix that we took and added with the milk, or something like that. Swap out tools here. Get the handy dandy little spurtle. Sort of smooth it out over top of everything. Get all the chicken covered up. And taters. Like I said, folks, just make this yours. You want add or take away something, go right ahead. By the way, have your oven preheating to 375. Okay, folks, now we get our stuffing mix out, and we're gonna pour that over top of this. The only thing I would change with this recipe is I would have had 2 boxes of stuffing mix next time. Just have fun when you're cooking, folks. All right, now Carolyn measured us out 1 cup. Pour this over your stuffing. Now, it says to add another 1/2 cup. Try to get as much of your stuffing covered as you can. Alright. Now, what we take a piece of tin foil and put over top of this, and we're going to bake it for 40 to 45 minutes or until the chicken is done. Let's do it. Alrighty, folks, there it is. Now what I did do, we cooked it for 45 minutes, and then to brown the stuffing up just a little bit, I turned the broiler on and done that for about 5 minutes. If you do the broiler, just keep an eye on it so you don't burn up your stuffing. We'll plate it up here in just a second. Alrighty, folks, here it is in the bowl. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching us. Hope y'all have a great day. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Friday. Thank you again for watching.